Hello and welcome. This is Rafi from Dorik. Throughout this video, we are going to learn how to integrate ActiveCampaign with our website on Dorik so that we can capture leads information for future email marketing campaigns. So I'm going to add a subscription form here in this column, and then we're going to connect the form with our ActiveCampaign account so that visitors will be able to provide their email address, first name, last name, or other information, and the data will be stored on our ActiveCampaign account. So let me walk you through the process. I'm going to click on add element to add our subscription form. So I'm going to scroll a bit down. After that, let's click on this subscription form element, and here we go. We have got this basic form added with the email field only. Now if you want, you can add first name or last name field as well on this form. So let me show you how. Scroll a bit down on this control panel. You are going to find this fields option. Let's click here. After that, along with email address field, we are going to find this first name and last name field. So let me show you how you can enable the fields. Let's click here for the first name and then enable this field. Just simply turn it on and just take a look. We have got our first name field added. So I'm going to turn it off now, and I'd love to go with this basic form. Now let's scroll to the top, and we're going to start connecting our form with our ActiveCampaign account using API. So as you can see, configuration type, it is currently selected to API, perfectly fine. Now from this service list, we are going to click here, then select the email service provider, which is ActiveCampaign for now. So let's select, and after that, we have to add the API key, which we are going to find from our ActiveCampaign account. So let me take you to my ActiveCampaign account. After that, from settings, we have to go here on developer. After that, we're going to find this API key, right? So let's click on this copy API key. It is going to be copied. Now let's go back to our builder, and then we're going to click on add new API key. After that, we're going to give it a name. Let's say API test as an example. Then we're going to paste the key that we have just copied. Now let's click on save, and our API key is going to be added here. Now the last part, ActiveCampaign account name. We have to provide our account name. So let's go back to our ActiveCampaign account, and after that, this is my account name, Rafi Dorik, and you can basically get this information from account. And here we go. This is Rafi Dorik. This is the account name. So let's copy this. Let's go back. After that, we have to paste it here, and we are done. Now, as a success message, whenever a subscriber will provide their information and click on the subscribe button, you can show them a message like thank you for subscribing or whatever you want. I'd love to change it to joining as of now, or you can forward your subscribers to a specific web page URL or a section of the web page they're on, right? So I'm going to go with this basic option, show message, and then I'm going to click on this cross. Let's click on publish so that our form will be published, and then I'm going to open this page in a new tab to see if it is perfectly working or not. So here we go. Now I'm going to type out a random email. Let's say this one, and let's click on subscribe. And here we go. Thank you for joining. This is the welcome message that we set. And now let's go back to our ActiveCampaign account. And now if I take you to contacts, we're going to see that this is the email that we just subscribed with our subscription form. So this is how you have to integrate ActiveCampaign with your website on Dorik and capture leads information for future email marketing campaigns. I believe you have found this video helpful, but if you have got any further question, please feel free to ask us by commenting below, and visit us at dorik.com for more information. Thank you so much for being with Dorik.